My name is Joyce Karanja in marketing for Capwell Industries. We are a food manufacturing company. We deal with flours, we manufacture rice and also beverage and confectionery as well. We saw an opportunity to grow our brands. And so that is why we decided to participate. It's a great opportunity even for us to get insights on how to grow our brands, as well as interacting with every other people in the different sectors also. For this edition, we took a different approach. On our display, we have products that most of our consumers do not know about, just to make them aware about them. So some of those products are: number one, we have our Ranee, which is a rice brand with basmati and biryani. We also have our newly made product called Chapo ChapChap, which is a ready-to-eat chapati. It has already been made for you, so just putting oil and spinning on your frying pan. We've been sampling Yola over the years, and as well as our Treatos cookies that we have recently launched. Yola is uji shake. It is a maize-flavoured porridge. However, it is not your normal brown porridge. It is white, of course, because it is maize. And it has been packaged in a bottle, and it is served under room temperature. Not like your normal porridge that is served when hot. So it's served under room temperature. It has a shelf life of 6 months, and once opened, should be consumed within 3 days. There's an opportunity for ready-to-eat products. I think my major learning will be that every stakeholder, or rather every company, has a role to play in the industry. So maybe I will take, for example, the people who are serving us coffee here today. That is really because we will be hungry throughout the expo. But you see, we have people serving coffee. We have others doing snacks for everyone. So I think everyone has a role to play. As we are selling, we have chapati, so people can pass by and have a bite. We have uji that we are also sampling. Apart from Yola, we are sampling our uji that we have made, our packaged uji under Soko. So we are making it for the people around who want to snack, and we are giving it. So every company has a role to play. It does not matter how small or large the company might be.